Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So to start with Uttar Pradesh, I am going to make this delicious chicken Yakhni Pulao today. And Yakhni Pulao is a amazing meat with rice recipe which tastes so good and is cooked in Yakhni itself. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a pan take 500 grams of chicken. To that add 1 medium sized onion, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger. I have roughly chopped them and added them. Also add 1 teaspoon each of cumin, black cumin and fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Also add all the khada masalas written on the screen. Then add 3 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Give it a mix and let everything come to a boil. When it starts boiling, then foam starts forming on top, so we need to remove this foam because these are the impurities. Then cover and let it cook for around 20 to 25 minutes. So after 25 minutes our chicken is tenderly cooked now. Take the chicken pieces out. Now this is the yakhni we have prepared. Strain this yakhni onto a bowl and keep it aside. Now in a pan heat 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of ghee. To this add 1 chopped onion. I have thin sliced the onions here. Also add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute everything till the onion turns golden brown in color. Now to this add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes or till the raw smell is gone. Then add salt as per taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Give everything a good mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes more. Next add the chicken pieces. Roast the chicken pieces with the masala for 4 to 5 minutes. Then add 1/4 cup of whisked curd. Give it a good mix and cook till the oil releases on the sides. Then add 4 green chilies and give it a mix. Now I have pre-soaked 2 cups of rice for 30 minutes. I am adding the rice at this stage. Now to this add the prepared yakhni we made and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and few coriander leaves. No extra water is needed to be added here. Now add 1 teaspoon of kevda water and cover and let the rice cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes our rice is perfectly cooked and khila here. And serve it hot with some green raita and coriander leaves and birista or fried onions on top, and you're gonna love it. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.